Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do the virtual contest biweekly contest 117 on Leetcode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest and this video and everything in between. So I'm here in Kobe. I've been traveling and riding hard the last couple of days, so I kind of missed the contest and I'm a little bit behind, but hope you still find this interesting. Let's go. Am I ready? Yeah, I don't know that I'm working on anything specifically. Just have fun and do well. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Just and choose three. Oh no, 5 candies. Only. What is limit? Oh, is it? I thought it would be and choose three, but I guess it's just a full loop. Because it's just 53 children, right? So, yeah. So. Okay. Man. I don't. I'm thinking too much in this. Right, and then if I plus j plus k is equal to n, I come 1, right? Maybe I have to be a little bit smarter, but not for the first problem. 5, 2, 3, what? Oh, 3 and 10, okay. And then now it's 10 to the 6, okay. Limit is also pretty big. How do you think about this now then? At least we got the dumb one out of the way. Man, why am I so bad at math? Can I do reverse? No. And choose 3 can be pretty big, right? Is there no mods? Long. I guess n choose 3 is 10 to the 18th, but still at most. But or n cube anyway. Alright, which sucks for you JavaScript people, but Man, my math is so weak today. Okay, so the last one. So we can reduce it to n squared pretty straightforward, right? But n squared is obviously still too slow. So is it the same DP thing? Okay, so if you think about it in DP, then there's always one way to do the previous one. So then now you iterate the second person. Second person, no, but then you have to iterate that, and that's n squared, right? So what is limit? Limit is going to be limit choose 3. What does limit choose 3 mean? No, it's not limit choose 3, it's n choose 3, and then each of them can be at most limit. Wow, this is Q2 and I'm like just messing it up. Let's see. If I did it the other way, okay, so I'm thinking about this in N. What if I think about it in limit? Limit, one pass, 10 to the 6. What does that mean? Oh, So A plus B plus B. Man, I feel like I'm missing something on this one. A plus B plus C is equal to N. Can I do the reverse count the number of times? And then like inclusion exclusion. Wow, I'm just like stuck on this one. I'm trying to still even just think whether it's math or simulation-y. It's okay. For each number you have to, I don't know. I have to come back to this one. I think I'm wasting too much time on the Q2 and I still don't know how, but okay. Number, what is this, math today? Number string that can be range contains substring, okay. And the string is S if it contains only lowercase and it is possible rearranging characters as such that, oh, new string, okay. Okay, mod. And then it's just, no. So it's just any strings that have one L, two E's, and a T, right? So less than 4, obviously no good. We can also do, what's it, times it by 4 factorial with 2 factorial. What is that? 12? I guess that's what it, so times it by 12, maybe. Okay, so then now we have these strings, and is it just 26 times whatever? Let's see, right? What is 26 to the 5th? Or to the 6th? Okay, fine. Because all the other characters don't matter, right? Is that it? Nope. Maybe all the characters do matter. What is 5? Or at least not in the way that I'm doing it. Why does it matter? So, oh wait, oh, because there's an ordering component, right? So it's not just this times an A, or add an A. There's an A in all these places, right? So then that means it's this times another, and we can actually, I want to know real quick whether my number is big. It should be, if my view is right, then my number should be smaller than this number. Yep. Okay, that's good. At least it's consistent. And then now, if we add in each it's going to be this. No, is it? So it's going to be 26, but then we can add it in each of the things. Okay, fine. I'll do it this way. Right. Equals 12. And then now we want for each character, so it's going to be times 12, or times 26, times the previous number of character, right? So I did my for loop in a weird way, but fine. And now it's this plus 1, because that's the number of gaps that you put it in, right? Is that true? Because then now we're double counting some stuff, like if we have AA, then we add them in different directions, right? And that's double counting it, right? Alright, I mean, I know that we're double counting it. Let's see if double counting it gives us an over counting answer, right? This number should be bigger. Oh, nope. Yeah, this number should be bigger than that number, because we're double counting some stuff with insert. Maybe the other way to think about it is, okay, we have 26 characters, 26 to the n minus 4, and then now we put in the 4 characters, right? Maybe that's a better way of doing it. Okay, so yeah, power of 26 n minus 4. Remember to mod, made that mistake before, right? So we have extra characters as equal to this, and then now we have to put in the 4 characters, right? Which is, so now you have length minus 4. So the number of buckets is n minus 3. And it's n minus 3, and then you can choose the buckets. So then it's n minus 3. That's the number of buckets. You have 4 characters. And that's if they're not distinct, so now you have to add the distinctness, so that you have to times it by 12, right? Just want it real quick. At least get this one right. Okay. I think this mod is actually kind of I want to see if the 10 matches the big number without the thing. Okay, the 12 is right, but this one's not so good, right? Is this wrong? Why are you wrong? Why are you wrong? Because we're double counting still? Is that true? Yeah, because we're double counting because we're putting in stuff. We're putting in things in a way such that we're using them as, so now we take out LENT, but then that's just like super weird and hard to do. I have to think, wow, man, today is like a math What is this? Am I interviewing for a math thing? Oh, you skipped Q2. How am I doing on time? Let's see. Wow, people finish up. Well, I mean, if it's some people are good at math, but this is not a great result. Q2, people got. Q2, a lot of people got. Seems like. So I really should be able to do this. I don't know why I'm so stuck. But all right, let's see if I can finish this first. Because I cannot treat them as different. That's why I'm double counting. Right. Okay, so that we're trying to do. How about the opposite case, the impossible case? Can we choose the number of words that does not contain words that contain? So okay, 26 to the end, that's easy. Okay, and then now number of words that contains. What is the opposite? The opposite is all the words that does not contain it. And I'm just struggling today. So what does the opposite mean? That does not contain it, right? So that means that you're restricted to either one L, 2 E's, or 1 T, or some combination of them. And we could do like inclusion exclusion for it, I guess. Maybe that's the way to go. All right. 0 L's and 0 T's are going to be the same, but what is 0 L's, right? So that means that, okay, let's see, all is, okay, total is equal to power 26 to n mod 0 L's. 0 L's is going to be basically power of 25 and mod, type it correctly. And also 0, was it T? Right, so this is twice, right? Missing L. Or no L's, whatever. Missing T, right? And then we have to use missing Y is a little bit tricky, right? Well, missing Y is fine, but it's 1 or fewer, right? So missing Y is also power of 25 and mod. And then 1 Y is equal, 1 Y is equal to power of 25 to, no, is it? It's going to be, if you only have 1 Y, what is it? It's 25 n minus 1, and then times n for the number of places you can put it. Right, so 1 Y, yeah, okay, I think that's right. I know this isn't right, by the way. I just want to get a sense of the numbers. Okay, I mean, you have to mod this, but that's fine because of this thing. no. Oh, maybe I could do it without mod. Okay, let's do. I just want to see if the 10 answer could be good. Am I already subtracting too much? Okay, let's do 4, right? 4, 26 to the 4th. I mean, yeah, I guess we're subtracting too much, but this is a lot for 4. Let's add in for 4, 3, 25 to the 4th. I mean, I know I have to do inclusion, exclusion, but this seems pretty big. Is this the right path? Alright, well, for example, if this is 4, then it's just 26 to the 4th, minus no L's. It's gonna be 20. I mean, this seems right. So for the missing Y, I mean, this is definitely right. 1 Y is going to be 3 times yeah, it's gonna be okay. Yeah, this should be right. And then now we have to add in the. So okay, this is gonna be the painful part, right? So missing L and missing T. L's plus 0 T's. So that means that things that are missing in both. So that means it's 24 times 4 and mod, right? 0 L's plus 0 E's. I mean, I know that I could write this like I know that these are repetitive, but I need to write them out. I feel like if I don't know, just hard. I mean, maybe we'll simplify it later, but for now, okay. And then the other, right? 0 L's plus 0 T's, oh, so plus 1 E's, right? Yeah. So basically with 1 Y, this is the hard case, right? Let's see something real quick. No, let's say we add back. Does that look okay? That is ridiculous. Okay, fine. But this is why you have increased. Okay, and then now this part is okay. So you have 1 Y but no L. So you have 25. Oh yeah, okay. That should be okay. So then now it's just 24 n minus 1 mod times n, right? Same thing for the T, right? Yeah, my notation is definitely very typo friendly. And then now we have to resubtract some stuff. That is ridiculous, the numbers, but okay, fine. Which is so and one Y, right? So that means it's going to be oh, 1 Y, oops. But this is subtract. All right, that's ridiculous that this works. This formula looks ridiculous every step of the way. We match this, so okay. This is ridiculous. I don't know why inclusion and exclusion is in my head, but all right, let's give it a submit. I cannot do Q2, but I did Q3. All right, maximum spending after buying items. Okay, let's see. I'm going to do Q2 last because I'm a dummy. All right, you have a matrix. This is so hard to read, especially after my brain's fried for that one. Okay. Okay. There are a lot of different items in different shops. Each shop has n items, and I've shop has okay. Additionally, the items are in non-increasing order, so they're decreasing order. I mean, they could be equal, fine. Monotonically decreasing. Okay. Pick any shop I. Buy the rightmost item J. For some D. What is D? Oh, on diff day. Okay. So why is it sorted in non-decrease? Because it feels like you can just do it in. You could have done it. You could just reverse everything and then do it the other way. What a silly way of writing this. Anyway, okay. Okay. Seems like the values was M again. M is different shops. Seems like a dynamic programming, right? So basically, you want to do what does the dynamic programming look like? You want shop, so index on the shop, and then how many items to buy, maybe. What is the D again? What? How many days do we get? Oh, because I see. Basically, you want to buy all the items, but you want to do it in some way. Also, everything is reversed. I don't know why they do it this way, but okay. That part's not that important. And you could change when to buy an item. So actually, I mean, I don't know if it's DP, or I don't know. It's definitely not this type of DP. So I take it back a little bit. Do they intentionally do it this way, where the? Oh no, okay, they do overlap. Because that's just like a really confusing way of doing it if you cannot like. Okay. Is it greedy? Can it be greedy? Basically, okay, so you have a total of the array. Every day that you don't buy, the 10 items could be interesting, but or 10 shops rather. every day that you don't buy, basically the total increases, right? So is it greedy? No, I mean, it is greedy if you can choose any item from every shop, but not necessarily in this way, maybe? Do we want to sort these? Because you can have a big one and go down the wrong path. Can you go down the wrong path? If we do it in reverse. No, because everything is in increasing order, right? So by definition, is that true? And what do you do about tiebreakers? Well, tiebreakers, it doesn't matter because you just do all of them in the same deck. So if you, because they are sorted, you're always increasing, right? So maybe it's just, and why is it 10? Is that true? Am I? Because it is, I mean, increasing, whatever. They do the order in a weird way. I mean, okay. I think so, but maybe I'm wrong. All right, let's try it. We want the smallest value. Okay, that's fine. Day one is just one, right? Okay, fine. Index, shop index, and then just index maybe, right? And then and then if index plus 1 is less than length of values of index, then we put it back. Values of is it no mod or anything? I mean, let's YOLO it. I mean, the important part is because and now we have to do the tough Q2. Why can I do Q2? What is Q2? Can I do one candy at a time? I think this problem actually primed me for inclusion exclusion on the last one, but is it inclusion exclusion again? That would be really weird way to do it. How many ways there are? For one thing to be limited, right? Two things. No, that's not right. How much time have I used? 34 minutes ish. Abby, what is wrong with you? Blah, blah, blah. I mean, I barely know how to get the easy version, to be honest. But so limit one. Can I limit and then limit one and then limit two and then limit two? No, that doesn't make sense, does it? Yeah, why am I so bad? Can it solve the two children case? Two children would be well, we just brute force the thing, right? Because you know by this is it. Alright, so let's see, right? So we have X, or you have A, you have B, and then you have N minus A minus B. How do I get a limit from that? I'm gonna feel so dumb when I find out the answer, but I'll hopefully figure it out. Is it case analysis? What is the case? Okay. And choose 2 with a limit. Because that only goes up to 10 to the 6 plus or times 2. Right? Okay. What does that mean? That means it's binomially distributed. So 0, 0, there's 1. 0, 1 and 1, so 1, 2, 0, and then 3. Okay, so it's binomially distributed on the limit, right? And then we can do the math on that way. Okay. So you have then you can it's not limit choose 2, it's okay. So it goes only up to n times 2. I feel like I'm close. Okay. I'm going up to the limit. What am I doing? Is it just it's limit times 2? No. How do I do it? So 6. So we have 3 and with limit is 3, we have 6 is only one way. 3, 2, there's 2 ways. So it is binomial. Is it? How do you choose it? How do you figure it out for a given number? Is it limit times 2 choose 2? Don't think so, right? Also, that doesn't even make any sense. That is true. So the row would be limit times 2, and the column is just the number you're looking for. Right? Man, my math is today is a little bit messy. Oh, whoops. Okay, so for 2 things, 0, 0. 0, 1 is 0, 1 and 1, 0 should be 2. And then, so this is off. What is the thing I'm thinking of? I mean, this is binomial, but 1, 2, 3. Am I just being dumb? That's just x minus 1 and that, like a pyramid. So limit, how many ways are there to choose limit? Is it limit ways? I guess it is. Why am I being dumb? I think I confused 2 and 3. Okay. So then now, so basically this formula, if you will, should be min of limit something like that, right? And plus 1, I guess. Something up, the limit is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay. And then now we can put force on the last one, right? So now okay, let's say I is equal to n minus c for the total, right? So using I because it's this thing I had before. Is that right? 9 and 10, that's really wrong. Why do I think 9? Oh, because this has to be limit. That's kind of, I don't know, maybe today's just not a good day. I can see why this is right, but oh, but also why is this so low? Oh, where did I subtract stuff? Ooh. Oh. Okay, well. I am dumb, I am dumb. I just got too focused on this, so yeah. I guess there's no limit to uppercase. Well, I mean, okay. Fine, yeah. I rushed the ending a little bit because I was like, I think this is right, but then I didn't really think about the edge cases at that point. Oh, is it wrong again? Okay. Oh, wow. I spent the longest time on like Q2. Oh, well. What is there to say? I mean, this was a very mathy one, I think. What is there to say? I mean, there was a very mathy one. I did okay on Q3, and I think I did okay on all the problems, to be honest. Like maybe not exceptional, but Q2 was the one that kind of, yeah, I just kind of struggled a lot. I mean, I might have even spent the longest on Q2 because I think I spent a good amount on time on Q2 before skipping to Q3. Just couldn't figure it out, and then I have a silly wrong answer, but yeah, yeah, all right. What's there to say? I stepped to do the weekly contest, so I'm just going to call it the end of the video. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.